Hi, Hita here. How are you all? Good afternoon. Let us start our IELTS speaking topic. I'd like to help you all about plants, part 1. So, today let's know the importance of plants. Do you grow plants as a child in your home? How much do you love plants? Are they important in our lives? If you think plants are important, why not grow them at your place? I recommend you all youngsters to grow plants in your families. Is there a garden in your house? Oh, now don't say that my house is a small place and I don't have a place for garden or plants. No, please. Plants are necessary, especially during pandemic. How important are they? We all must know the importance of plants because they are playing an important role for us. Yesterday, as I was walking, I've noticed a plant. It is a creeper, it's climbing and it's full of greenery. Such a lovely plant. It can be called a herb. It's not something which is a new plant I have noticed. Since centuries, this plant has been used in India for medicine. India is known for traditional medicine. It is a subcontinental plant. The name of this plant is called Giloy. You can see this plant behind me. Such a plant which is helpful for our health. I started eating the leaves of this plant recently. There is a tremendous change in me when I started eating the leaves of it. I have read in the Times of India that the leaves are helpful to cure asthma and reduce the oxygen problems because this plant also provides good health benefits because of its nutrition. And then the Food and Drug Administration also has come up with the evidence and proved how beneficial this plant is. It's more than a fruit to us. We only consider the fruits. The king of the fruit, the mango, is loved by most of us. Why don't we eat such kind of leaves and stems? When we start eating these leaves and stems, do you think that you're an animal? No, please. Never. Never feel in that manner. Our ancestors in the beginning have been using such medicines when there wasn't much technology. Today we have technology. Just because of technology, the education has changed. People are learned, and we have doctors, scientists who are investigating, finding different kinds of medicines which are mostly harmful, antioxidants, very powerful medicines, and we don't even like to take those medicines. Do you love them? No, I don't like to take such kind of medicines. I just prefer the natural medicine. This is the Ayurvedic medicine. In Sanskrit, it is called as Amrut. It may not be curing many major health problems. However, during pandemic, it is helpful to us in reducing the infections of us. There are various infections in our fever because of cold, severe cough, asthma, breathlessness, oxygen problems, kidney failures, diabetes, and due to diabetes, the corona patients are dying. So, this is also helping the diabetes patients. If a diabetes patient can eat these leaves and the juice of the stem, definitely the levels will come to the normal state. It also helps in the BP levels. If the BP levels are high or low, this plant can help them when they start consuming it. And then the next thing is, suppose there are kidney problems, lung problems, arthritis, the immunity above all. The immunity is also a problem. Because of immunity, we are unable to sustain the weakness. We lose all our strength. and we remain as forbidden, forgotten in society because at this time we feel we are helpless. Don't feel bad and think that your life is wasted. Now you are not of any use. Never think in that manner because there are so many remedial solutions around us. It is you who has to find out where is the solution. The solution is within you. Can you see and find out? I have found the solution for my problem. Today I feel so refreshed, happy, hale, healthy. I fly in the sky with the wings of health because of this plant. I recommend my dear friends to plant this plant in your homes. Have it in your small garden. Enjoy the breeze of it. Nourish it in this nature. Recommend to your friends. Give it as a gift to your friends. Definitely you will be blessed and your environment will be blessed because everywhere there is oxygen because people are healthy with this plant. Thank you for listening to me till now with so much of patience.